You got to get out of the mindset that I'm going to put 10 hours of editing into one video. That video is going to get 1 million views and I'm going to be rich. That is not how it goes. What's going on, guys? So I got monetized 30 days ago. If you want to start on YouTube and you're wondering how much money you're going to make when you start on YouTube, well, this is the video for you, because I'm going to show you guys all my stats. I'm going to be completely transparent. I'm going to show you my analytics, and I'm going to show you guys every little penny that I made and how I made that money. I guess this video is good for anyone that wants to start on YouTube, or anyone that's wondering if they should start on YouTube and what it's like. I mean, I've been doing this for 11 months, so I'm not going to do my 1 year on YouTube video yet, but that will come. But I can do my first 28 days being monetized on YouTube, what that's like. Let's get into my analytics. All right, this is my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel page. I got a nice banner up there. Quick stat, it took me 10 months to get monetized on YouTube. 3 10-minute videos a week, 2 streams a week, and around 4 to 5 YouTube shorts per week, which are less than 1 minute. That's the kind of content that I'm dishing out to YouTube. The editing time is not in there, and the research and responding to comments, responding to the community is not in there. By the way, I also have a Twitch and I also have a TikTok. I am on Facebook Gaming, and I have an Instagram that is not quite where I want it to be, but I am all over the place for social media. I post daily on Twitter, and I just work on being consistent with my community all the time. If you click on About Me. So all right, I joined February 24th. in 2020. That's when I started on YouTube. I had no idea that those were my stats, and I have a total number of 2,538,059 views. That's a lot of views if you think about it. How much money does that get you? So yeah, 2,500,000 views is a lot of views, but I haven't been monetized since the beginning. So the money that I made was only in the last month, right? Now, if I draw traffic to my older videos, then yes, I will get paid for those videos. But for now, I'm only getting paid for what's been monetized in the last 28 days. So those 2 million views, unfortunately, I didn't get a penny out of them. All I got were subscribers, which I'm currently at 5,090 subscribers, something like that. So what am I talking about, and what does this mean? Let's go to my month of January and let's look at my stats. And let's find out how much money I actually made in the month of January. Analytics, and let's click on revenue. My estimated revenue in the last 28 days is less than $20. If you want to know exactly when I started getting paid, I started getting paid Tuesday on January 5th, 2021. So it hasn't been, yes, it's been exactly 30 days almost. 30 days. So in the last 30 days, on the first day, I made 26 cents. I'm basically making less than $1 a day on YouTube, unless I get a donation like what happened here. I got a $10 US donation. Now, when you get donations, especially through YouTube, YouTube takes half. Boom. 45, 50%, something like that. So when I got a $10 donation US, YouTube took half of that money. So I was left with $5. So technically, this is how much I made, but YouTube took half of my original amount, which is $40. So I pretty much made $40 and YouTube took half. Now this is my YouTube channel. Every YouTube channel is different. If you are talking about money, you're gonna attract finance ads. If you talk about money a lot, you're gonna make a lot more money per 1,000 views, because the people that are putting ads in your videos are attracting probably marketing viewers or finance viewers or anybody looking to invest a lot of money. And people that are looking to invest money, you'll get paid more for those kind of videos. So this video here, the fact that I'm talking about money, I will get way more money per 1,000 views for my ad revenue. If you're talking about little baby toys, you're gonna attract little baby ads, like baby toys ads. If you're talking about gaming, you're gonna attract gaming ads. Whatever niche you're talking about, that's the kind of advertisement that's gonna be showed in your videos, and people bid on ads, right? You can actually choose how much you wanna bid to be in a video. So people that have a lot of money are probably trying to drive traffic to their website about marketing. They're gonna bid way more to be in your video, which means you're gonna get way more money per 1,000 views. The world is a really sneaky place, isn't it? My RPM is basically how much I make per 1,000 views, because I'm in the gaming category. So RPM is how much you make it per 1,000 views, right? So I make 65 cents per 1,000 views, which is completely horrible. But if you look at my CPM, every time I get 1,000 monetized playbacks, 1,000 of those, then I make $4.10. So these are just first month numbers. I don't even want to go to how many hours I put into YouTube, because the number of hours I put into YouTube, I'd say between 4,000 and 6,000 hours of work, whether that includes streaming, making videos, editing, or just responding to comments, right? Because that is also work technically. So I'd say 4,000 hours in 1 year, and I made 20 bucks. You could either look at yourself and say, is this worth it? Or you could keep going. And personally, I'm gonna keep going, because it only takes one video to pop off to make money. Now, depending on what you talk about in your videos, because every video is in a different category. If I go to analytics, just basic overview, one video popped off, and in one day I got 124,000 views on one video, and that video kept going on for a month. I was getting 70,000, 80,000, 70,000, 60,000, on an average of 70,000 views per day on that one video. It was a YouTube short, and it was how to do every flick in Rocket League. It popped off, and unfortunately I wasn't monetized when it did, but I think I would have made around $100 to $200 off of that one video that took me 5 minutes to edit, because that was one of the videos that didn't take long to edit. So if you put in a lot of editing time, don't think you're gonna get rewarded for your editing time. It doesn't work like that. Don't forget, there's a bunch of ways to make money on YouTube. You can sell merch, and you could sell something in your YouTube videos. You could also get sponsors, and then there's other ways to get affiliates on YouTube. I basically was sponsored 2 months back, and I can't really tell you how much they gave me, but it wasn't much, and it wasn't really worth it because that website had a lot of toxicity in it, which means people didn't believe that it was a real website, and people thought it was kind of a scam. So I drove myself away from them. I only advertised them for 1 month, and I let them go. I got paid once from them, but you're not going to see that in my YouTube analytics. You're not going to see sponsorships, and you're not going to see merch. You're not going to see all the donations, and I also linked my YouTube to my Twitch. So anything that I make on Twitch, you won't see on my YouTube. So as soon as you start marketing yourself online, there's more than one ways to make money. There's different ways to make money. If you're selling a product online, and you're selling that product through your YouTube video, you're going to get ads in front of that product, and you're going to drive people to that YouTube video, which is going to sell your product. I don't know what you guys are trying to do on YouTube, but I'm basically creating a brand here that I'm going to use later to sell something that I want to sell. Clothes, hats, whatever. So if you're starting on YouTube and you're doing it for the money, I think you're in the wrong mindset. You have to be in the mindset of doing this for fun, and you have to enjoy doing this. If you don't enjoy doing this, it's going to show on camera, first of all, and second of all, it's going to show by your inconsistency. YouTube wants consistency, and they reward consistency, and people that don't like the algorithm is because they don't understand what it takes, and they're not ready to put in all that hard work. If you're ready to be consistent on YouTube, and you continuously upgrade your content, and you work on your content, YouTube will reward you, and I promise you that. That's why you cannot give up. Someone that is in my situation with only 5,000 subscribers, constantly working on their content, I don't believe that this won't be beneficial for me in the future. I truly believe I will be able to be self-monetized, and I will achieve financial freedom through YouTube if I keep going. Even if it takes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 years. 10 years down the line, either you can start and do this, or you can give up now and regret you didn't continue. The choice is yours. You got to get out of the mindset that I'm going to put 10 hours of editing into one video. That video is going to get 1 million views and I'm going to be rich. That is not how it goes. But you have to understand that you have to be consistent and post regularly, whether it's YouTube Shorts, talking to your community, whether it's streaming, whatever it is you're trying to do, you have to show that you are dedicated to this channel. If I had to give any advice to someone starting on YouTube, try to make a schedule out of your YouTube. Try to tell yourself, okay, I at least want to post 2 videos a week or 3 videos a week. I'm going to just post YouTube Shorts, but I'm going to post 1 YouTube short video per day. I'm going to stream 3 times a week. Just give yourself these simple goals and don't look at the big picture. Look at the little goals. Aim to succeed at the little goals. Don't even worry about the subscribers. Don't worry about monetization. Don't worry about anything but making your content better. Focus on always continuous improvement, right? What am I doing wrong? Objectively look at yourself. Tell yourself, is someone actually going to watch my content? And is my content actually good? Yes, you can just post on YouTube, but if you're not looking at yourself in the mirror and you're not looking at your own content and you're not thinking, okay, that was kind of stupid, or I shouldn't have said that, or I should probably work on my focus or editing, or I should put the music a little lower, you know, work on your sound. Constantly make your content better. Every time you make a video, try to make the next video better than the last one. All the time. That's the way I see it. And if you look at my thumbnails, if you look at all my YouTube videos, they're getting better and better and better and better. And you gotta say, man, when is it gonna stop? It's not gonna stop. I work full time. 50 hours a week, I am somewhere else. I am not at home working on my YouTube. I have a full-time job. So when I come home, put around 5 hours a day into my YouTube, then I spend a couple hours with my girlfriend, and then I go to bed and I restart. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed my quick tips. Hope you guys enjoyed me sharing my monetization on YouTube, my first 28 days, what it's like to be monetized. It's not much, but it's a start, and you can't let yourself down by looking at the numbers. Just focus on your content, focus on being better, and I'm sure you guys will succeed. I'm H2K. See you guys next time. Peace out and stay safe.